Welcome back, everybody. This time we're going to talk about the 3 steps to creating the most amazing content for your business. Let's get right into this. My name is Tristan Ahumada, and I'm a Fortune 500 consultant, and it's so much fun. So here, let's get right into this one. This is actually pretty easy, and I'm surprised that I haven't seen very many videos on this. So let's dive into Google, because that's where I like to start anytime I'm looking for great content. And for this purpose, I'm going to put my other hat on, my real estate hat. You know, there's got to be a sound for that. You know, that's the wrong sound, but that's a sound nonetheless. And the 3 steps, it starts with the simplest one. Let's pretend you're the consumer and you're looking for answers to your questions. Now, we're all in different types of businesses here. Like I said, I'm also in real estate, so I'm going to make it super easy for me and pretend that I'm looking for real estate. And I'm thinking, well, how do I buy a home, right? And there you go. You can see, what do I need to know before buying a house? It could be, what do I need to know about buying a car? It could be, what do I need to know about buying anything in general, or selling anything? And then all of a sudden you're functioning like the consumer. So step number 1, like I said, is ask questions as the consumer and use Google for your help. Now let's dive into it. You can see here, we start looking and we have 5 tips for first-time buyers. That's an ad. We have 20 tips for buying a home. I already like that. Let's see, know your credit score. Some good ones there. I like that. But for this purpose, let's go to Forbes. Forbes should have a good one. It looks like I've already clicked on this one. 7 things I wish I knew before buying my first home. And I already like that title. You could actually use that title or say, hey, 5 things I wish I knew, right? But as we go through this is step number 2. You're going to be looking for questions that you can ask then, or even one question that you can expand on a video. So I suggest you look through and there's number 2, make sure you budget and plan for transitional costs. That one doesn't sound as attractive. Let's see number 3. It's really easy to get caught up in the superficial. I don't know if my video would be great on that. Number 4, you might be responsible for the property abstract. No. You'll change your mind. That's not bad, I like that one. We're getting closer. Your home inspection will find, I already love this one. All right, so let's go with this one. And the second step is done. I found the question. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this whole section and open up a Google Doc and start. But look at this. I've already done this. So I fast forwarded this for you so you can take a look. I copy pasted this, what I found over here on Google under this Forbes article. All right, your home inspection will find problems. And then what I did is I started outlining it by finding the things that I thought were important for the article. And that one was needed maintenance down the road, addressing small fixes, or finding full on deal breakers. You can see here, I decided to go with your home inspection will probably bring out a lot of problems, right? And then I said, well, here's what to look for and what to expect. And here's step number 3, make a 3-point outline and shoot the video. That's pretty easy at that point. You can shoot a video, you can create a blog, just use whatever article you find out there to inspire you, because chances are you're in business already and you know content, you know what's already being asked. So use that knowledge to expand on what you find on Google, just like I've done here. And now I've got a great little outline for a video I can shoot for 3 to 5 minutes. I can start off and say, hey, your home inspection will probably bring out a lot of problems. I'm Tristan with so-and-so realty company, and here's what to look for and what to expect. Step number 1, find a reputable inspector. I always look to friends, or I look on Yelp, right? Number 2, what to ask for after the inspection is done. This is always a challenge for some of the buyers that we help, but the one thing I always tell them is to sit down with their agent and go through the report with them, and then look to see what are the safety issues. Now, number 3, let's look for the deal breakers. What are those? If the foundation is messed up, you definitely want to rethink this home. Or if the house is falling apart and you don't want to fix it up, that's something to ask for. if you don't want a fixer. And number 3 is cost of fixing a home exceeds the value of the home, then you have a problem, right? So you see how I outline that based on the knowledge that I have. It's super easy. You can do it too. I just need you to understand that Google is there to help you out, right? So use Google to go out and search whatever it is that you're looking to understand more of. And remember step number 1, which is probably the most important, act like a consumer. Go to Google and ask the questions they're asking so that then you can take the content that you find, outline it, and shoot that video. Thanks again for joining me. If you're wondering what to use in regards to video and mic and any other tech out there, I did make a video on that. Look on my YouTube channel, wherever it is up here, and find it, subscribe to it, and click on that little bell, because every time you do and I upload a new video, you get notified, and it makes me happy. Thanks again. Have an awesome day.